Hey guys, I'm Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a very cool case for the Galaxy Watch 5. Now, keep in mind, if you're one of those that are looking to get like a rugged case with belt and everything for your watch, this might be for you. This is the Unicorn Beetle from SUPCASE. SUPCASE. They actually make cases for different devices, and I didn't know that they actually made cases for watches as well. And what's cool about this is that if you're a fan of those like Casio rugged sports watches, this is gonna make your watch look just like one of those watches. So look at here. This is the body. It comes with the whole body, the belts, and everything of the as a case and belt all together. We're gonna take this out. And look how it looks. Looks very cool. This one is green, right? But it also comes in black. So if you're looking for a black one, it also comes in black. It comes with the belt. It comes with the body. You have the brand right there, which looks pretty damn cool. And the belt looks nice as well. You got the SUPCASE right there, brand as well. Awesome. And it's very easy to actually put together. So right now we're going to take the belts out, right? This is the first time I actually ever used one of these belts or cases. So I was very surprised how easy it was to actually put here. So like you see, it has the buttons right here. So make sure you align the buttons right there. And in the inside, you're just going to fit, like see here, you're just going to fit the watch in there. So it's going to go snugly in there. There you go. There's no way that thing is actually going to fall out from there. There's no way that thing is going to fall out from there. You got the, look at that. You got the perfect slots for the buttons right there. And on the inside over here as well. Look at that, how awesome it actually looks. Now it looks like a rugged phone. And like you see there, if you have this screen, this watch face, which is, I forgot the name of the watch face. Let me see, what's the name of this watch face? It's called, no, it doesn't say the name there, but it's very cool. It's very cool looking. It also has like a compass around it, which makes it look even more appropriate for this style of case, because you know most of these Casio G-Shock phone watches, you know, they have like a whole bunch of compass things and so on. So this is how it actually feels. Look at that. Very nice. Awesome. Look at that. Very awesome looking. Very awesome looking. Let me just wipe this a little bit here. Look at that. I think it looks very great. It makes your watch looks totally different. And if you're one of those that work like in construction or things like that, or you're just doing like hard sports, this is going to be way better for your Galaxy Watch 5 than a normal belt. That is for sure. And like I said, if you don't like this color, it also comes in different other colors. I believe black and maybe other colors as well. But this color looks awesome. This color looks very nice. I saw the black one. Black one also looks good. But this looks very great. So when you're done using it, it's very easy to take off as well. Because like I said, the cool thing here is you're not actually putting these things in. You're just taking it off, oops, of the little body, and that's it. That's how easy it is to actually take off. That's awesome. But I'm definitely going to be using it for a while like this. That way it looks like a totally different watch. It looks even bigger. It looks very nice. So I'll leave links in my description for this watch case or belt, however you want to call it. It looks very cool. It goes for around $20 to $25. So if you're interested in getting it, I'll leave the links right there. Let's see how it looks with this one right here. Okay. Oh, this is, if you check the website, it's actually advertised with this actual watch face, and it looks good. It looks good. Look at that. It looks really damn good as well. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Like I said, I'll leave links in my description just in case you're interested in it. And let me know in the comments what you think about it. Till next time. Bye-bye.